We're going to make some delicious, rich, protein-packed Swedish meatballs, and we're going to coat them in this beautiful, thick and indulgent gravy. But the good news is, it's going to be a fraction of the calories compared to traditional Swedish meatball gravies, because we're making a few tweaks to keep the overall fat and the calories down, making it an ideal choice for anyone who's trying to eat a bit healthier, especially at this time of year. And I don't know, there's something about December and Christmas that makes Swedish meatballs even more delicious than they are normally. Sounds good? This is how you make them. First things first, you're going to finely chop half an onion, and then the key to good meatballs is to fry the onion first rather than just putting raw onion into the mix. So fry that onion until it's softened, it's starting to turn a little bit brown, then add it to a mixing bowl. Then you're going to add lots of breadcrumbs. This is key again to keeping it juicy and stopping them drying out. This is just fresh bread blitzed in a blender. And then you're going to add some mixed or allspice along with half a teaspoon of salt, along with a good few grinds from the black pepper mill and 1 egg to help hold everything together. Swedish meatballs typically use 2 different types of meat, so we are going to use 250 grams of 5% pork mince and 250 grams of 5% fat beef mince. Get your hands in, mix all of that through, and then I find when making meatballs, the best way to get them in even size is to divide the mixture and keep on dividing it rather than just making individual meatballs as you go. Then you're going to heat some oil on the same frying pan on a low heat, and you're going to cook those meatballs for about 10 to 15 minutes. The key here is to slowly cook them so they cook all the way through without getting burnt on the outside and raw in the middle. Once they're fully cooked through, remove from the pan and set aside. Increase the heat to about a medium temperature and then add your unsalted butter and some flour. Keep whisking that so you mix it all through and it's nicely combined, and gradually add your stock. Keep mixing it so it doesn't get all clumpy. Then to that you're adding soy sauce. Yes, we are actually doing that, and that's what's used in this recipe, along with some mustard. You're going to allow that to simmer for a few minutes to allow it to thicken up, and then you're going to add 0% fat Greek yogurt instead of double cream. This just, again, is massively going to cut the calories, but still tastes delicious. And then cook for a few minutes more. If you'd hit that like button, it would really help me out with the growth of this channel. It's nothing to do with ego, it just means YouTube's more likely to show this video to other people. Then you want to plate up those meatballs. You'll notice we don't cook them in the sauce. That's not what you do with Swedish meatballs. You just plate them up and then put the sauce on top. Garnish with some green dill if you've got it, parsley if not, and then just get stuck in. So there you have it, delicious Swedish meatballs, but with a bit of a healthier twist, a much lighter, lower calorie sauce, but it's going to taste just as delicious. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. As always, if you've not had a chance yet, make sure to click that subscribe button, because then you'll be notified as soon as I post a brand new high protein recipe, because I'm doing so about twice a week. So go and cook this, hopefully you'll enjoy it, click subscribe, and I'll speak to you later back on this channel. See ya!